Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get the old Snapchat UI back. This is pretty new, so it's pretty cool. Um, I don't know how long it's gonna work for, but for now it does work. But before we get started with the video, please subscribe, share, and comment on this video. I do appreciate it. Everything does count. I'm starting up my channel, so I appreciate the love. So please do subscribe and share this video. But let's go ahead and get started with the video. So first, we can do this on the phone or through SSH through your computer. I'm gonna be doing it through my computer, but also have a video of like me doing it on my phone to the side of like the screen, so you can see how to do it on the video, but on the phone. But basically, you're gonna need FileZilla. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll do a little card on top that you can click on, and there's a video on how to install that so that you can just do it on your phone, which is kind of easier, but I'm going to do it the hard way. So obviously we need to be jailbroken, we need WinSCP or files on your computer. We're gonna, or on your phone, I'm sorry. So once we SSH, we basically have to go to root, var, and we're gonna go down to mobile. We're gonna go to containers, or yeah, containers. We're gonna go to data, applications, and this is why it's hard on your computer. But if you have files, I will have the name of the apps on there. But my Snapchat is on BA34, I think it's this one. I believe, yeah. And then you go to documents, and you have to find a file that says zero dep.plist. You right click, you go to properties, and you change the permissions to just 0, 0. Well, 0 on here, but on your phone you can just do 0, 0. And you press OK, and that's it. You close your Snapchat, you open it up, and there we go. We got the old UI back. Now, if you want to get the newer one, you just go back here, you right click, properties, and you change this to 0644, and you're gonna have the new UI back. If you do get banned or anything, I'm not responsible for it. Like I said, it's pretty new, so I don't know what the penalties are or anything like that. But yeah, that's how you do it. So please do comment, likes, and please subscribe and share this video. I do appreciate every love that I can get. So yeah, have a good day, guys, and I'll catch you on the next video.